Today I'm showing you AgentZero. This AI agent is completely free and builds anything you want: apps, websites, tools, games, all in one click. And here's the crazy part: it runs on your computer, no subscriptions, no limits. This thing is about to change everything for you. Setting this up takes 3 minutes, no joke. You copy 2 commands, paste them in terminal, done. I'll walk you through every step. By the end of this video, you'll have a super agent running on your machine, and you'll wonder how you lived without it. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me show you the setup first, because you're going to want this on your machine. First, you need Docker, free software, creates a safe environment, download it, install it, 2 minutes. Next, go to the AgentZero GitHub page. 1-line command, copy it, paste it in your terminal. It downloads everything, sets up the environment. Last step, add your API key. OpenAI works great. Google Gemini, free, or use Ollama to run completely offline. Your choice. 3 steps. You now have a super agent running. Open the web interface, start building. No complicated configuration needed. Now let me show you a beginner level prompt to get started. This is simple but powerful. Build a to-do list app, single HTML file. 2 minutes, complete app. I can add tasks, check them off, delete them. Everything saves automatically. Simple but functional. This is perfect for someone just starting out with AgentZero. This beginner prompt works because it's clear and straightforward. You're asking for one thing, a to-do list. AgentZero knows exactly what that means. It understands the core features needed. Add tasks, mark them complete, remove them. The single HTML file instruction keeps it simple, everything in one place, no complex setup. This is how you learn AgentZero. Start with simple requests, see how it interprets them, understand how it builds solutions. The beauty here is you don't need technical knowledge. You just describe what you want in plain English. The app AgentZero creates is genuinely useful. Not just a demo, you can actually use this to-do list. It saves your tasks locally, works offline, looks clean and professional, and if you want to improve it, just ask. Add categories to organize tasks. Make it dark mode. Add due dates. Each request takes seconds. AgentZero updates the code. You see changes immediately. This is how you build confidence with AI agents. Start simple, get results, then iterate and improve. If you want to master tools like AgentZero and build AI systems that actually scale your business, join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share the exact automations I use in my agency, the workflows that save my team hundreds of hours, the AI systems that help us grow. We have weekly coaching calls where you can ask me anything about AI automation, plus a community of over 600 entrepreneurs who are actually implementing this stuff, not just learning, doing. Link is in the description. If you're serious about using AI to grow your business, this is where you need to be. Now let's move to an intermediate prompt. This is more complex. Build a Pomodoro productivity timer that tracks multiple tasks, shows statistics, saves data locally, and has a clean modern design, single HTML file. 4 minutes, complete app. Start a timer, it counts down. Displays the task name, alert sound when finished. I can add multiple tasks, see my history, view total time spent, breakdown by category, all functional, all beautiful. This is where you start seeing AgentZero's real power. This intermediate prompt works because you're adding specifications, not just a timer, a Pomodoro timer with specific features, track multiple tasks, show statistics, save data, clean design. Each specification guides AgentZero's decisions. It knows you want task management, so it builds an interface to add and select tasks. You want statistics, so it creates graphs and breakdowns. You want data saved locally, so it uses browser storage. The modern design instruction affects colors, spacing, and animations. You're not telling AgentZero how to code these features. You're describing what the end result should do and look like. What's impressive is how AgentZero connects everything logically. The timer links to tasks. Statistics pull from your history. The interface flows naturally. Start a task. Timer counts down. Data saves. Statistics update. Everything works together. This would take a developer hours to plan and code. AgentZero does it in minutes, and it's customizable. Want longer breaks? One prompt. Want different categories? One prompt. Want to export your data? One prompt. This is the power of intermediate prompts. You get complex functionality without complex coding. Now let's move to an advanced prompt. This is where AgentZero really shines. Go research the top 5 project management tools, compare their features, make a comparison table, then create a recommendation based on features for a small team. This isn't just building, this is research plus building plus analysis. AgentZero opens its browser agent, visits websites, Asana, Monday, ClickUp, Trello, Notion, reading feature pages, extracting information, organizing it. 8 minutes later, complete comparison table with a recommendation section, fresh information from live websites. This advanced prompt chains multiple tasks together. First, research. AgentZero browses the internet, finds the tools, reads their features, takes notes. Second, build. It creates an HTML comparison table, organizes the information clearly, makes it easy to read. Third, analyze. It looks at all the features, considers what a small team needs, makes a recommendation with reasoning. For teams under 10 people, we recommend X because it has Y feature and Z benefit. Most AI tools can't do this. They can answer questions, they can generate code, but they can't chain research, building, and analysis together. That's what makes AgentZero an agent, not just a chatbot. What makes this prompt advanced is the complexity and autonomy. You're not micromanaging, you're giving a goal. AgentZero figures out the steps. It decides which websites to visit, what information to extract, how to structure the table, what factors matter for small teams. This is AI working for you, not with you. You describe the outcome, it handles the process, and the result is genuinely useful. You can use this comparison to make decisions, share it with your team, reference it later. This is practical AI automation at work. Now let me talk about what makes prompts work at each level. Beginner prompts are simple, one clear task, build a calculator, create a to-do list. AgentZero knows what these are. You don't need specifications, just the core idea. Intermediate prompts add details, neon style, with animations. Track multiple tasks. You're guiding the design and functionality. Advanced prompts chain multiple actions, research then build, analyze then recommend, or they involve complex workflows, image analysis, browser automation, multi-step processes. The key is starting simple. Get comfortable with beginner prompts. See how AgentZero responds, understand its capabilities, then add complexity, more features, better designs, specific requirements. Build your prompting skills progressively. Don't jump straight to advanced. Master the basics first. Learn how AgentZero interprets your words, what it prioritizes, how it makes decisions. This understanding makes you better at all levels. So here's what you do next. Go to the AgentZero GitHub page. Follow the setup instructions. 3 minutes of your time. Start with the beginner prompt. Build a to-do list. Get comfortable. See how it works. Then move to intermediate. Try the Pomodoro timer. Add your own specifications. Finally, try advanced. Chain tasks together. Research plus build. Complex workflows. Each level teaches you something new. Each level expands what's possible. And if you want to learn how to use AI agents like AgentZero to save time, automate your workflows, and scale your business, join the AI Profit Boardroom. You'll get access to all my AI automations, step-by-step tutorials, weekly coaching calls, and a community of entrepreneurs who are using AI to build real businesses. This isn't theory, this is practical implementation. The stuff that actually works, link is in the description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab, link in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment. Tell me what you're going to build first, and I'll see you in the next one.